Has your iPhone seen better days? At OWLtech, we've got you covered. We specialize in iPhone repairs to make your phone look and function like new. And speaking of new iPhones, the iPhone 15 is coming. If you're thinking about upgrading to the newest model, stop by OWLtech to trade in your old phone. We offer iPhone trade-in services, so when trading in your old device, you can get store credit to put towards any purchase here at OWLtech. And hey, if you have Apple Care, you're covered. For more information about our iPhone repair and trade-in services, visit shopowltech.com and book a reservation to talk with one of our sales specialists. Whether it's a repair or a trade-in, trust OWLtech with all your iPhone needs.